Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to switch to YouTube's incognito mode from your Android device. Let's see how to do this. The way is very simple. Just open your YouTube app from the apps list. Then press your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Turn on Incognito. You can now watch embarrassing videos to your heart's content. You will get a notification letting you know that you are browsing incognito. If you want to turn off the incognito mode, just click the icon in the top right corner and tap on Turn off incognito. That is how you can use incognito mode in YouTube from your Android device. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.